Located on the border between Argentina and Brazil, Iguazu Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. With its stunning landscape and awe-inspiring beauty, it is no wonder that Iguazu Falls has become a popular destination for travelers seeking an unforgettable experience. Using drone to capture footage of Iguazu Falls offers a bird's-eye view of this natural wonder, allowing viewers to appreciate its vastness and intricate details. From above, you can witness the immense volume of water cascading down into the river below, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. For those planning to visit Iguazu Falls, watching drone footage can serve as a helpful tool in understanding the magnitude and beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. It can also assist in deciding which areas to explore during your visit, as well as provide insights into the best vantage points for capturing stunning photographs or videos.